It means a lot because as a player you need to dedicate yourself to the team. You need to know that you're playing for the badge. You need to know that when you're playing for RS, you need to win matches. That's the most important thing. Jabulo Mancana, so Thandai Guboni, so Ntsimbi Sangweni, so Tom Zakaise. Yeah, a lot of them. So I don't remember some, but yeah, to be honest, if you're a professional player, you must expect to play for any team in the PSL. So you cannot say I don't see myself playing for any team in the PSL, but as a professional player, so I was seeing playing for any team in the PSL. So I'm happy to be here. Yeah, one of the finest guy, in the team. Having Kabuza in the team is very, very exciting. So, should I tell you a story about Kabuza? Yeah. Okay, we once had an accident with Kabuza when we came from Egypt, because him and Nyauza, they were sitting inside the plane, and then there was this Judician guy so next to them. So they were busy telling each other that they are from a Majesty family. So they're from chief's sons. They're chief's sons, Yeah. So and then they broke this Judician laptop by mistake. And then when you go to play Africa, they will give you some bonuses before game. Yeah, I would say some allowances. So they give you allowances, and Kabuza had to pay that laptop with that $500. So it was sad because it was him and Nyauza who was busy poking this guy, but Kabuza ended up paying for that $5,000. And then it was funny because when you get to the airport to exchange that money to a South African rand, so Kabuza didn't have nothing. So we were laughing. It was a funny story because we keep on laughing at him. And then we were trying to tell Nyauza, please share with him, but Nyauza didn't want to share money with him. So it was a very funny thing, So because they were telling that Judician that is the son of Majesty, is the son of Chief. He was telling a lot of stories, but it was a funny moment. Oh, this name came from my kasi. So where I started playing football. So they called me a festival because there was a mall. If you know, there's a mall that called Festival Mall. If you know that mall, because I used to go there a lot. So because I used to work there while I was schooling. So sometimes if I was not around, and then they wanted me to play, so some of my friends will tell them that I went to festival to work. So that's how that name comes. Yeah, I can kick with both legs, but I'm right-footed. Yeah, it's football. So it's football. So coming against them, because all you need is 3 points. So it's very important for me to go in that game and win the game. So that's the most important thing. So whether it's my former team or what, there's no emotions or what. Now I'm working for Golden Arrows, which is we need for 3 points. So we'll go all the way to play them. One of the best that I come across, Coach Mangoba, alongside with KG and Musa. So I think we have a good technical team that are willing to give us advices, willing to give us the best trainings, willing to motivate us. So I think the progress you can see is there. So I think they're doing a great job. We want us to achieve first. You told us to make sure that we take the team out of the danger, and then the second, make sure that we take the team into the top 8. So those are the most important things now to do, and then everything we'll see next season what's happening, but the progress is there. Firstly, we must take the team out of the danger, and then secondly, we must play for the top 8. Yeah, to be honest, discipline, hard work, dedication to your work, and then learning and being coachable. So that's the most important thing in life, where you'll not regret. If you keep on working hard, learning, be coachable, and make sure that you dedicate yourself to your work. So that's the most things that are very important in this industry of football. Yeah, because I played all of my life. I was playing for left back, so I would say that's my favorite position. But I don't mind if any coach will put me where he want me to play. I'll play. I'll perform that duties. I don't mind playing as a right back, left back, in midfield, or what. As long as I'm inside the field that I have to deliver, I will do what I've asked for. It was very hard not playing, as a professional player, you need to, training without playing is not good. Training without playing is frustrating because you end up doing things that you don't supposed to be doing, So it's very important for you as a player to stay focused. But it was killing us mentally as players because we were hoping that we're going to play, but you're not playing, we're just training. But I'm happy that I got a team that is a very good bunch. It's got a bunch of good players, and now I'm playing that. I'm happy that I'm back in the field again. My best goal ever against Al Ahly 2013, first leg final. My best teammate is Mpoma Gola. Best game final 2013 Champions League against Al Ahly. I'll say it's very important when you're in a losing stages. So you don't have to be hard on yourselves. As players, we need to calm down and rethink again and make sure that each and every game we go there and win the game, so that we should not put ourselves under pressure. So losing doesn't mean you are a bad team. Losing doesn't mean you are a bad players. It shows that you are working hard towards something, and then you must learn from each and every game that you played. So we just played, I think, 2 days back. So it's very important for us to play tomorrow and win the game. Because when you lose the game and you have maybe 5 days before you play, is a long time. So you feel like if you can play tomorrow and rectify the mistake that you did the last game. But this is an opportunity for us as players to make sure that we win the game on Tuesday.
Hayi. Ngangilesithupha ngisemncane kodwa ngisasili manje. Ngangidla ngisemncane. Then uyazi uma ukhula nabafana bayaqamba. Then igama mase uqanjiwe ngeke uzuliphike. Lihamba lifike la lifika khona. Uwena. Ngala qhamuka kanjalo bafu. uSithupha wazalelwa endaweni yaseRichards Bay eNtseleni. Wakhula funda amabanga aphansi khona. Ngisho sisimo ekhaya sasesihle kodwa sasingekho footbed, sase-right yabo. Then I moved to Stenga. Stenga funda from grade 5 to grade 9. Then I went back to Richards Bay. La ngaqeda khona. Then I moved to eDurban ngo-2019. Kangithi ngizofunda kahle. Unfortunately unfortunately ngoba phela kwabheda ngaleso sikhathi kodwa ngavuleleka amanye amathuba ngaleso sikhathi. Ngamuva ngazohlala eClubhouse. Ngisalinde isikole ngoba khona ithuba elivela ukuthi iGolden Arrows yangidinga ukuthi ngizodlala khona. So isikole sasala kanjalo ngaqhubeka ne-career yami. Into engangiyifisa vele kusukela ngizalwa ukuthi ngidlale ibhola. Oh wow. kwabalula cause amajita angwelcome ngendlela engangayilindele cause amajita engangiwabuka kwi-TV then masudlala nawo ekutreat-a as if ubhuti wabo omncane kwabalula ukuthi ngisheshe ngi-adjust kumina noma lalukhona phela lelo valo ngohlala ungabi nalo uvalo kodwa amajita angisiza ukuthi ngijele kahle ne-team ngatraina nayo i-team ya nga-adjusta nje.
Ipheze ukufika kwi-PSL yona ingana
ikhona if ungekho egroundini mase usegroundini you do what you know so i-pressure ngeke ngisho ukuthi ikangako cause uma udlala ibhola mfethu namanje sengadlala udlala khona noma ekuphi kodwa if wazi ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani ngaleso sikhathi angicabanga ukuthi i-pressure iba kangako kuwena yabo ya ukuthi uyithatha kanjani cause singabantu asifani kodwa kimi ayingekho kangako. Abafo isikhathi esinzima kakhulu esangasifiseli noma kuthiwa mhlampe azizwani kangakanani kodwa ngikufiseli lanto. For me it was a setback cause umuthi uyabuka mfethu I was performing ngidlala day in and day out ngizama ukusiza iclub then all of a sudden and wesiphathi kwakuse-training ngaphuka so to be out of the field for like 9 months to 10 months it's not a child's play kunzima and wesiphathi ngangimncane ngaleso sikhathi into engazange nga-experience before so ngangingazi ukuthi ukulimala ungadlala ibhola for 9 months or 10 months kunjani ngangi-depressed a lot kodwa kwaba khona ama-teammates ama-senior players ekwazi ungifonele ngi-check-e ngasho ukuthi i-team was there for me yabo ya ngakwazi ukuthi ngiwa-overcome. I don't think cause njengamanje ngisenalo ithuba kukwena ukuthi into uyithatha kanjani progress ukudlala ibhola kusuke kudaliwe ngaleso sikhathi usuzodlala noma ngezodlala so angikwazi ukuba negative ngokulimala kwami ngithi kwehlisa i-progress yami cause njengamanje ngi-right kumele ngenze into engiyenzayo kumsebenzi wami so angicabanga ukuthi kehlisa i-progress yami. I mean, as a king fullback, I want my team to play more, to have the ball more. So if it's smart, it's fine. It's my duty as a defender to defend. But if Cecil the ball, we have to play. We have to showcase our talent. As the Abafana West End, I believe it's not talent and it's not the ball. Yeah. Ngakufunda recruitment ukuthi uyiphathe kahle ukuthi uyiphathe kahle be consistent uthanda umsebenzi wakho usebenze kanzima because lamaviki esenginawo ngiyabona ukuthi why elanga lesi sikhathi eneleminyaka ananje ngamanje umuntu osebenza kanzima umuntu othanda umsebenzi wakhe umuntu okhona for i-team any day engadlala i-strike ngadlala i-winger if umfaka egroundini usasebenze uzosebenza so uyangigqugquzela nami ukuthi ngisebenze more yabo khona amathuba mhlawumbe ngavuleka ngakwazi ukubuyela for first 11 may never know. There are lots, bro, but I will go for Thapelo Morena.
And
Thapelo Morena.
Thapelo Morena.
Season enzima kakhulu le since ubona ama-games esele nawo since ubona i-position esikuyona kuyilokho anginambitheki sometimes usuku awazi isho nokulala ucabanga leyo nto leyo because at the end of the day imisebenzi yethu le yabo we have to be there for the team kumele siwa-support amashiti adlalayo it's either uyadlala awudlali kodwa ibheji elifika kuqala kumele usebenzele i-team kodwa nje ish yabo le season kodwa hayi amajita ngiyathemba ukuthi siyi-team so overcome le situation yabo kuba mnyama vele mase kuzohloka kakhulu. Oqala sifuna ukusuka kule position esikuyona lapho kwi-relegation zone because siyabona ukuthi ama-points are congested kanjani. Secondly, sifuna ukuba kwi-top 8. Yeah. Igame ye-Pirates we-approach as it comes. Siyawudinga lo 3 points, dlala home. So, we're gonna go all out. My dream for the future is to win 1 or 2 trophies PSL, to take i-club some sodlala i-CAF. It's either a Confederation or Champions League. But I believe ukuthi le club deserves more of it. It deserves more. So ngiyafisa ukuthi ngwina ama-trophy nale club, hambe ngidlala i-Champions League nayo or i-Confederations. Ngifuna ukuthi abafethu siqhubeke siphushe. Kuningi esingaka-achieve. Mesingayithemba ukuthi siyona lento esicabanga ukuthi siyona. Kuningi esingaka-achieve. Sathe club sibeke la ibelonga khona. Because I believe this club belongs to number 3, 2, even 1. Yeah. If kusiyayimisela njengamanje, that's what achieve lokho. Namajida njengoba manje kule situation asiphusheni sisupportane kakhulu kunakuqala. Last thing anakhona kakhulu njengobhuti abadala abancane sidinga nakhulu njengamanje lesikhathi samanje.